Alright guys, so there comes a time in everybody's life where they drop their phone and they crack the screen. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your screen. It's going to cost you right around 10 bucks and it's going to take about an hour. So let's go through the parts that you're going to be needing today. It's really simple. You've probably already got all the stuff around your kitchen. So let's get started. A broken phone. Your mom's oven. Tape. Tape, aluminum foil, and the secret ingredient, salt. First step is to put as much clear tape as possible. Try to do it in even lines. And if you want your phone to be a little bit water resistant, make sure you leave some spilling off to the sides there. We're going to wrap it up a little bit. Don't tape it to the counter. Make sure you dust off the screen before you put it on there. This is what's going to help make our new glass, so you need it to be nice and smooth, and you don't want any air bubbles or anything like that. You see, you gotta smooth it out. You gotta massage out the wrinkles, just like this. Just rub it a little bit. All right. Take out the battery. Fold the tape around the edges to make sure you make a correct seal over everything. Like this. Splendid. Put it in the foil. Don't let it stick though. Salt. Now the salt is going to melt and it's going to fill up all the cracks, and the glue from the tape is going to help seal it in there, and it gets that nice flavor. The oil's just nice because I like butter. Make sure you wrap it up tight. Put it in the oven. Broil on high for 30 minutes. Take it out of the oven. Oh no. Alright, so it's the middle of the night. It's finally cooled down a little bit, and it's been in there a little bit too long. I'm kind of worried that it's going to be a little bit crispy around the edges. So if all goes well, we should have a nice smooth screen. And here we go. Like new, a brand new screen. Still works. Booyah. So big thanks to everybody that put in money on my Kickstarter towards the research of the I like to call it the Butter Pecan cell phone, and I appreciate all y'all out there. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ, all y'all. See y'all next time. Share, like, subscribe. Peace. Yep, so now that we've made the video, we got the old stunt telephone here, and I don't truly trust Sprint to delete all of my data. So we're gonna just take this into our own hands here. We got a nice little vise from Harbor Freight. Nice squish job on it. Ooh, we got some breakage. We need to get a hammer to make this go the rest of the way. Here we go. Got a nice little mallet here. Ooh, that feels good to do that. You can just see the glass just splintering. Oh, it's so wonderful. Oh, insurance policy of wonder. I wonder if that did the trick to erase any of my data. Woo, it sure got it on that little edge there, but I don't think that's enough. Get back here. There we go. Let's get some nice Little dents in there. Let's see if we can get a little focus. Oh yeah. If only you could see the depth of all that. It's leaving nothing but sand on the concrete. Yep. Suppose I can send it back like this. Wonder what they do with it at this point. Rest in peace, homie.